Lizelle is there, Jasmine, Raver, and many others. Joe M is also there,
Joe M.
asawa ng asawa ko. How is it, Direk Luis, working with them?
Iba-iba silang personalities, iba-iba ang the parts of their yung kanilang persona na kailangan tatrabahuin ko. Like for example, si Jasmine, madaming takes, madaming akong kung yung sabi yung pinapagalitan. Well, actually, it's more of like keeping her on track because she's playing a role that's been through a really extraordinary experience as suffering. So I have to keep her always that at this point of the dito ka, you know, and then not, you know, less of the Jasmine and more of the character.
Right. While Lizelle, nagagalingan ka dahil...
Sinasabi ko lang, intuitively alam niya kaagad kung anong kailangan ko.
Do you like actors who are intelligent or actors who are intuitive?
Actors who are intuitive are also intelligent.
Yes, they can be both.
Yeah.
Pero may mga artista na matalino, but are less instinctive.
Well, in that sense, I'll go for the intuitive.
Okay. Dahil raw, fresh.
Tsaka right away, pag sinabi ko, alam na kaagad nila, trigger na kaagad yung personal experience nila nagpaparallel doon sa ini.
Okay. May kinalaman ba itong asawa ng asawa ko doon sa, hello, pwede bang makausap, nagalit ang buwan sa haba ng gabi? Ito ba'y may kinalaman, Luis?
Hindi naman.
Wala.
Parang hindi naman, yung lalaki talagang babaydor. Or yung bang ang daming one after the other na naging asawa.
Okay.
Na naghiwalay na. Basta ganon. Ito, hindi naman nila intended. It was just a circumstance.
Right.
Na nangyari.
Okay. Gina, sa mga nakatrabaho ng mga batang artista, anong meron sila ngayon na wala noon? And vice versa?
Clearly, definitely, yung social media. Tapos, meron silang meron silang studio system ngayon. Tapos, yung multimedia sila. Na, doon, hindi naman ganyan. Tapos, marami silang ways na pwedeng pagkakitaan ngayon because of social media. Noon, wala naman kaming ganyan. Ano lang, radio, television, yun lang, movies. Yung wala naman sila ngayon, yung mga direktor na marami silang matututunan. During my time, you know, halos lahat ng pelikula ko, you know, there's Direk Luis, there was Marilu Abaya, there was Lino Broca, Ishmael Bernal, you know, Peque Galiana, Celso Alcasillo. Kahit kanino kang mapunta ng mga direktor na yon, may matututunan ka sa kanilang lahat. I'm not saying wala silang natututunan ngayon, hindi ba?
I know what you mean.
But, you know, yung time na yon, yun talaga na, kailangan ko makatrabaho itong director na to because I would surely learn a lot
At
from
kung
them.